we should invest in good decision-making funds. Can you actually show us how to find these good funds using the FundReveal risk-return measures?
Sure, Kim. Let us go to the FundReveal 401k Fund Selector tool for this purpose by entering www.fundreveal.com in the browser's URL box. This website reveals secrets of mutual fund performance. I already bought an annual subscription for the 401k Fund Selector tool for just $50. It gives me unlimited access for a year. Right now, I have already signed up with my email address and personal password, and I'm looking at the 401k tool page, which is the only page you need to get analysis reports. I have already entered one fund from my friend's 401k plan. It has a symbol of MLAIX. She works for a beauty products distributor. I'm now going to enter two more funds from her plan. To do this, I start typing the fund name or symbol that is used to buy or sell that fund in the market in this box. As soon as I start typing D, F, E, a window drops down to assist me. Here is the fund that I need. So I highlight it and left click on the mouse. The fund symbol automatically comes up in the entry box. I am now going to type the symbol for the other fund completely since I remember it well. It is LGSCX. LGSCX. I now click on Add Funds. So, what I see now is that all the symbols that I want to analyze are in my list here. As a next step, I simply click on Get Results. The results for all funds appear in the Results section just below my Input section. So let us scroll down to see the Results section. Now let us carefully see what we see here. The rows are the funds, and the first row is that for S&P 500. This column gives the symbol for each fund. This one shows the sector or style that the fund belongs to. And these two columns are the measures which I will use to select funds for my 401k investment account. Remember this permanently. These risk return measures only tell you which fund demonstrates good investment decision making capability and which does not. They are not the actual future total returns or the volatility of the fund might have. Remember that daily investment decisions are not in your control. So you can only invest in good decision making funds and get rid of bad decision makers. This column gives the average daily return for each fund, and this one gives the worst case return. To select a fund, compare the numbers in these two columns for each fund with those of S&P 500. Look for funds with high average daily return and also high average worst case return. Certainly both higher than the numbers for S&P 500. And higher they are, the better. And positive numbers are better than negative numbers. And for those who wonder what this worst case return is all about, here is a simple explanation. Here the worst case return is 2%. This means that there was an 85% chance that the average daily return of the fund could have been higher than 2%. And there was a 15% chance, which is rare, that the fund's average daily return would have been worse than 2%. So, higher the worst case return, the better it is. So, how about selecting this fund symbol MLAIX for investing? It certainly has a high average daily return of 24% and high worst case return of 2% compared to the S&P numbers of 7% and minus 12%. And 24% and 2% are also higher than the numbers for other funds. FundReveal calculations are updated daily, so you can monitor the decision-making capability of funds in your 401k list regularly, say every month or quarter. Then on a regular basis, say once a quarter, you can wean out funds that start misbehaving and get funds that show good behavior. This discipline is very important. You cannot simply put money in a fund and not look at it until after retirement and expect to retire comfortably. Fund managers change, the capability of a manager changes with emotions, investment strategy changes, and the market and world economy changes. If you want to protect your nest egg and see it grow, you must take charge and manage it in a disciplined way. It is really simple and takes only an hour a month at the most. So you still have plenty of time left to do other important things such as playing golf, going to movies, changing diapers, and attending parties or doing anything else.